Hello. Today we will talk about variation image and variation swatches that how can we use with ShopBuilder plugin. Firstly, it is important to know product variation is actually a feature through which WooCommerce allows you to provide variations or distinctions on a single product. Variation image and variation swatches accomplish extensive functions with this style that allows you to display WooCommerce variations in labels, colors, and images. Here we are watching the various colors, and this is the image gallery, which are currently look like disabled, but when you will enable these modules, it will change automatically its looks. So for this, now let's move for the installation. Go to the settings first and go for modules. Install here variation gallery and variation swatches consequently. Keep patience, it will take just few seconds. Among of these two, we will start learning first with variation gallery. There are 5 variation image gallery settings options. Multiple options are there for customization as your preference. So choose what you want to do and then save your changes. After it, go for now variation swatches. Get a vast customization fields for your needs. You can change your shape style of your swatches, as well as you can change tooltip background color, text color height, width, font size, and etc. Now turn to the shop builder for templates builder. We are working for single product page, so start editing with the Elementor. This is the product image. You will get 4 types of image layouts for your product image, which will give you 4 different appearance with other related products like top, left, right, or grid. And this is how it looks like after product image customization with colors. In addition, you can show zoom icon or the thumbnail in your changes. Also, according to your product image, you can further customize image width, radius, thumbnail gap, column gap with the main image, and the border radius. If you can also modify the styles. Under advanced settings, change the background color of product image. Now update your modifications. Here it is your product image appearance in the single product page. It shows you the gallery bottom layout. But you can also select right or left image layout. Now back to the dashboard, WooCommerce, and then settings. Under the variation gallery, you can customize thumbnail style in the advanced settings as well as general settings. In the style, you can customize arrow background hover, text color, and many more. Now, times to product swatches customization. Here you can enable swatches for showing on the archive shop page. Besides it, you also can change the swatches position. Let's have a look at your archive product page. You can further check your appearance. What if you disable the Show Swatches button and then click Save Changes to see the difference? It does not display on your archive page. Actually, not only this, there are also numerous customization options available. Like you can change the swatches position to for item title and price into 3 categories. Try and select what you think appropriate for your website. Now we will customize related custom layouts. It is up to your own taste to enable or disable these several changes of content visibility under the settings options. There are 3 patterns to display swatches position. You will choose what you need. They look like this. And for the swatches types, 2 types of appearance are there available. One is circle and the other one is square shape. Now click update to save your changes. This is your all customization, but if you think for background color customization, you definitely can change it. If you are done, then save your changes for finally. This is how you can use variation image and variation swatches with ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching.